The purpose of this video is to guide you through downloading and installing the Respondus Lockdown browser. Let's begin by accessing the quiz that requires the browser. Here's going to be quiz 2 for us, and you want to click the Take the Quiz button here. Here you're prompted with the URL to download Respondus. Click Install Now and Finish, and the download will automatically begin. We want to save the file, and it's downloading here. Once it's through downloading, we want to go ahead and open up that folder that you saved it in, and double click that exe file, which will begin the setup. And the wizard's going to walk you through most of these steps here. You do have to accept the terms of agreement. And once that's done, just hit finish, and we're going to close all these windows and get back to our desktop, and you'll see the Lockdown browser is now on the desktop.